Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's new Predator Triton Neo 16 with Intel Core Ultra processor. So friends, Acer announced the new Predator Triton Neo 16 gaming laptop designed with the new Intel Core Ultra processor with dedicated AI acceleration capabilities and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs that support demanding games and creative applications, and players and content creation can marvel at enhanced video game screens and design on the laptops with up to a stunning 3.2K resolution and 165Hz refresh rate and Calman-Verified displays producing accurate color right out of the box. And the new Intel Core Ultra X series processors are preloaded with dedicated AI engine and Intel application optimization to deliver efficient performance, smooth gameplay, and collaboration experience to the gaming laptop. Combined with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU that support NVIDIA DLSS 3.5 technology, you will be able to enjoy AI-optimized visuals on ray traced games and applications. As an NVIDIA Studio validated laptop, it is purpose-built for creators, delivers fast and smooth performance across the most challenging creator workflow, and provide access to the NVIDIA Studio suite of creative software. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.